In this video, I'll show you how you can get primary and general messages on Instagram, and I'm going to explain and show you how it works. Okay, so for this, by the way, you can do this on Android and iOS as well, but for this, you want to open the Instagram app, and then first of all, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and then click on Settings. When you're here, you want to click on Account, which is right there, and then click on Switch to Professional Account. You can then choose the Creator account. Next up, simply click on Next, choose a random category, or just choose the one that suits you the best. I'm just going to go random with an actor. Now, then pretty much click on Next or whatever it's set right there, and here you go. So your creator account is ready. I'm going to click on Skip, I'm going to close Instagram, and I'm going to open it again so that it actually updates. And there you go. I now have the primary and general DMs right here. So this is basically how you can filter your DMs. So you can put DMs in general and you can put them in primary as well, so that it's easier to find certain DMs. And that's pretty much how I've been using it on my actual account, and that's how I recommend you use it as well. So all we need to do to put someone in a general or primary one is simply go to their profile or click on the DM, and then you can click on move to general, for example, and there you go. So right now I just changed that, but that's how you can get the primary and general messages on Instagram and how you can actually use them. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build the best and biggest how-to channel on YouTube, so I would appreciate your support, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.